What exactly is the product involvement section, which you can find located within each registration object in Viva? If you hover over any question marks within a tab, you can see a brief description of what is meant to be included or encompassed in this section. For product involvements, this section is meant to record how various companies are involved with that particular registration. So this can include being an AI supplier, a registration holder, or a marketing or distributor. The product involvement section is meant to display an accurate description of the current situation for all companies involved with that product at any given current time. The product involvement section is not intended to be a historical record of previous registration holders or marketing distributing companies. It is only intended to be a snapshot of the current situation of other companies that are involved with a particular product. If you want to document historical information, that can be done in the transfer history section of Viva. This first example will be demonstrating how to create a brand new product involvement for a registration. From the registration page, you simply click on Product Involvements and then the Create button. From here, you'll see various fields that need to be completed in order to document the information regarding this particular product involvement. First, we will complete the function. For this example, I'm going to use Marketing Distributor. Then we will select the company. If you have recently used a company, it will show up in your recents. However, if not, simply click on the binoculars. There is over 5,000 records for companies within Viva, and I find it most helpful to filter down by location and then search within those results. You can now see the company has been filled in. I recommend filling in as much information as possible within this section, especially if you are dealing with a third-party registrant or distributor. Having a contact name and contact email can be extremely valuable for documentation and legacy information. Once all the information has been completed, simply hit Save. If you know you have another record to create, you can hit Save and Create, and this will save what you currently completed and then open up a new pop box. I'm going to do that now. Next, I'm going to complete the registration holder information. Now that that information has been completed, I will hit Save. Don't forget there's an option to edit your fields by clicking on the three dots, edit columns, and add any important information that is valuable for you to see. As mentioned at the beginning of this training video, we only want the product involvement to show the current situation with a product. So if a registration contains old information, in this example it contains bare information, but the product has been transferred to Environmental Science or EnView, you can simply delete these records by clicking on the three action dots and then hitting Delete.